Great, thanks.
I'm gonna zoom this.
Oh, there's Rick. You cook breakfast? Does he know what's going on? Rick? Is he right here with the cat? See the cat he was wearing last night? Did you see him? There's a little kid over there.
Oh, there he is. I was looking for him.
Alright, where'd they go? There they come.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah, it's just...
Oh. Yep. Give him a bump.
Looks like it's going to be between Slauson and Gamble.
We got a race. We got a race. And we got a winner.
Yeah, you got it.
Bad line. Yeah, terrible.
They're gonna get hung up again right here at Waterfall, though. Oh, which line? He's taking the high line?
No.
He is?
Yes?
Yeah!
Oh, come on.
Look at that horsepower. That's the second one to do that. Right up over the rocks. Break that stuff.
Front light.
The other guy's gonna try to do it too. In the pink racing. Oh, is that the... Yeah, another one on the high line.
Oh, and there's more coming. I think there's...
The front of his feet sit.
Hey,
Checkpoint 7, relay, wait 1.
Scherer and Waylon Campbell just cleared 7. Yeah, Scherer's way behind. Way behind.
Where's 7 at?
Right over the hill. It's at the base of Chocolate Thunder. Yeah, it's a dual point. 7 and 9 are in the same spot. It's just literally right over the hill. And 8's up here. 8's up here, yeah. 8's just above the plaque, somewhere.
Another one.
Oh, that was for him? And another one. Wow.
We're gonna have a race at Waterfall again.
I got this. The guy's like, get off the hill. Somebody finally went and found Mike's tire and rim and stuff. And was sitting next to him, pissed off right over there. They scored, they got killed. He was just sitting there. That's crazy.
It's a 4.5 foot wall.
Which line? Gonna get hung. No, nobody's getting hung up there anymore. Oh, I spoke too soon. Here we go. Take the other line. Take the other line.
Go straight. Oh, here comes another one.
Nobody get out there. Nobody.
They can't touch it, right?
He can winch you.
No.
No.
Anybody touches that car, he's out of the race.
If they can push
The
it over.
people,
Now there's
but how can? Oh, here's another one coming behind.
Yeah,
Oh,
there's-
he's out.
there's
He's only trying to run up.
Push. Come on, come on.
Yeah, let's try to push it.
there are
Yeah, they gotta push you.
that can come get him and ride him, and he's fine. And the official blue shirt guys can, but anybody touches that car, he's out of the race.
Come on, 1, 2.
Yes, any on-course race car can.
Oh, 2 more coming now.
Oh boy.
Oh, wow. We got
What are the
German
rules
cam.
about they have to get off the out of the
there's
way?
3. Okay, so there's a.
Oh, this is
Get
gonna
off the
be-
race course! Damn. Dude, it's not me. Yeah. Run it over and take a damn picture.
Yeah.
Oh, he's.
See, the recovery team can ride up and get the naked.
They can ride up and put cable on it.
Yeah, cable
There's
it.
nowhere to put that cable. Nowhere.
Can they just
Nothing
flip it,
strong
or is
enough
it
to pull it, is there?
Motor's gonna hydrolog.